strings. Let's ask a question. How do pendulums make people give away their energy? The strong ones use power. Rules, systems, pressure. People obey. But weaker pendulums persuade. They promise reward, appeal to reason, offer belonging. Still, the goal is the same: your energy. Pendulums are not people. They're energy-based information structures, and they follow deep universal laws. To feed a pendulum, your thoughts must match its frequency. That doesn't mean you have to agree with it, just think about it. Emotionally, repeatedly. That's the trick. Even opposition fuels it. Hatred, fear, outrage, still attention. Still energy. Imagine people angrily debating politics. They say they hate the system, but all their thoughts are locked on it, and the pendulum swings stronger. It doesn't matter if you push or pull. If your thoughts are in sync, you're feeding it. Mass media understands this. News stirs emotion, fear, anger, anxiety. Repeated stories pull you in, and you come back for more, not because it helps, but because it's a habit. Pendulums pull strings by throwing you off balance. If you're scared, guilty, or angry, you're tuned in. Fear is the strongest thread, but guilt, anxiety, even the need to prove you're right, all work just as well. Old beliefs, childhood guilt, pride, vanity, each one a hook. Your habits make it easy. You react, you spiral, you feed it again and again. Even comfort keeps you stuck. Habits feel safe, even when they trap you. Can you escape? Yes, but not by fighting. One person can't destroy a pendulum. It will push back, hard. But if you stop reacting, stop feeding it, it lets go. The strings aren't tied, they're held by your focus. And when you shift your attention, you begin to return to yourself.